What really stood out for me were all of the little things that teachers have to keep in mind when making their lesson plan. For example, when I was making my lesson plan, I had to think about Bloom's taxonomy. I had to think about the readings that we um, read and talked about in class, like multiple intelligence, the best way to convey the information to students using the different types of methods that we use for our UDL reflections. You had to take into consideration the policy maps and students' different backgrounds and ethnicities. And I think that all of that is going to make me um, more aware as a teacher going into the field. And I thought that this class really did a good job of helping me open up my mind to that and really get me thinking about those things that I should be thinking about when constructing my lesson plan for an actual classroom. With all of this, I now have the mindset going in of not just making a lesson that kind of touches on the content standard, but really focusing on deconstructing that content standard and putting it in a way that best benefits the students in my classroom that I'm teaching and helps do it to their needs and capabilities and challenges them all in one. So that's probably my biggest takeaway from this class.